What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon. We're on the way to
La Union.
La Union. Let's go.
The Onion.
We have about 2 and 50 minutes of driving. So, it's gonna be a 3-hour ride. Kasama natin dito is sila Mingming, si Bebu, si Ken, at saka si Randall.
Did you know was she coming?
Yeah, she's coming. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited, Emil? Yeah?
Yes.
What about you, Kuya Alice? Where's Kuya Alice? There it is. Let's go. Let's go. Hi. I'm better when I'm older. Greatest fan of your love.
Your crying shoulder.
What's up, Kuya Alice? Where are we at now? Say La Union.
La Union.
La Union. We're at Sunset Bay Beach Resort. So magro-room around lang kami and then tingnan namin yung resort. Actually hindi rin kami makapag-check-in kasi nakapangalan kay Norma yung room namin. Here we go. Let's go. Ito lang siya, maliit na resort. It looks nice. Looks clean. And then may access din yata sa beach to. There's the beach. There's the swimming pool. Oh wow, that's nice. That's nice. You guys excited? Let me see your happy dance. Yeah. Ito yung pool, oh. And then that's the beach, guys. Oh my god, that's the beach.
Swim in the beach?
Both. We're gonna swim on both. Look at that. Let's go see the beach in this side. Come on. Yeah, may small pool siya. Parang infinity pool. Pero maliit lang. But yeah, the beach is right here, bro.
Like Hawaii?
It's right Hawaii. We're just
Oh, wow.
yeah, beachfront. Beachfront. I guess, guys, the room is under my name. All good, all good. Let's go see the room.
This is going to be our room, guys. So, guys, we're just going to get our stuff later.
So guys, punta muna kami sa restaurant. Tingnan namin kung anong pwedeng mainom, makain mamaya. And fun fact, kapitbahay pala namin si Marcos dito. So bawal daw mag-drone or anything. Mahal ba, girl? Kaya natin ang budget yan. Pero may tigyawat ako eh, hindi maganda eh. Sa puyat yan eh. Puyat and pagod. So, okay naman yung mga menu. May makakain yung mga makukulit. I like the pool. And I like the spot kasi beachfront agad tayo. Kasi kung mag-i-experience ka ng something, go for the gold already. Yeah, malinis siya. Maganda tong resort na to. Kahit may liit. Maganda sana dito, guys, oh. Yung mga room nila dito sa taas. Cheers! Tatanong namin kung pwedeng magpalipat ng room doon sa may taas. Guys, nandito na po yung mga kasama namin. Yung mga sexy namin kasama. They're here. Sundin natin sa parkingan. Oh wow, parang naka-artista band pa eh. Artista yan, naka-artista band pa yan. Hi, Bebo. Uy, walang hug. Hindi ako hinag ni Bebo. Hi, my sexy cousins. Hey. Hi, Bebo. She's gonna hug me. Ay! Hug kami ni Bebo kasi love ko si Bebo. Di ba, Bebo? Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Ayun kay Tita April.
Hi, Tita April.
Let's go, let's go. Ma'am, pagka ano nyo po yung ano, ma'am, kakalangan nyo po isusi yung aircon ha, ma'am. Kailangan nyo susutihan yung aircon. Yan po. See, gagana po yung aircon pag sinusi nyo. Kaya pag lalabas po kayo, ma'am, tanggalin nyo po yung susi at saka dalhin nyo sa kasama nyo, no? Yan na po. Tapos pag may kailangan po kayo, sabihin nyo lang po sa amin. Hindi ko lang alam paano gawin to, ma'am. Kayo na po bahala sa buhay nyo. Pakialam ko sa inyo. Let's go swimming, Bebo. Say hi, guys.
What are you doing?
Who's that? Kuya Alice. Kuya Alice, who's this? Uy, who's that? Bebo. Hi, Babo. Go swimming. Let's go. Hindi siya ganun kalamig. Ganda, guys, oh. Kasi ayun na yung beach, oh. We should go to the beach.
Mamaya. Mama said.
Look at it. May mga seaweed nga lang. Look at the seaweed.
Okay naman yung seaweed.
Yeah. It's just weird when it touches your body. Let's go. Hi, Emma. Look at the airplane. It's so low.
Hi, buddy.
Where's the camera? Where? Okay.
Try it. Put your full head in the water. And it. See? Can I try? It feels.
Dinner time. Let's go. How was the no, it's not free. How was the swimming, boys? Good. Tanungin natin sila kung kakain na din sila. Kayo lang hindi daw sila kakain eh. Matutulog yata sila. Let's go eat.